So, bad news. So, I've fucked up in a couple of good ways. First off, that Jeep I've been driving around is giving up the ghost. Now I'm trying to buy another one out of a junkyard, and that would have been, well, that would have gone fine today, except that it's rained, and they haven't dug it out yet. So, I just walked back into town, which would have gone fine, but I chose to wear my jack boots today. Why do I have jack boots? That's a good, it's a good story. It's a story I intended to tell on the 25th and have uploaded on the 26th of last month. And unfortunately I could not because my car broke down. So, I'm about, what, 3-4 miles in, and because I've let myself go soft, both my ankles are now bleeding, and I don't want to take these suckers off just yet. So the basic point of this is, I'm sorry about the lack of uploads. I will get back to you soon. I could use some crowdfunding to go ahead and get this heap of shit I'm getting out of the junkyard into a drivable, if not absolutely road legal state, and also that I am in tremendous pain and I am in fact bleeding. So I will catch up with you later. Right now I'm just wishing I had brought some water with me. Oh, wow. Okay. It's kind of like... Huh. Yeah, not a bad day after all. Yeah, so, the lesson to be drawn from this is, one of two things. Either, break in your boots before you walk in them, or, where's my flashlight button? Well, break in your boots before you walk in them, or you can also just be a bit more careful with making sure that you're not going to do more walking than you think you are. Yeah. Hope that's not going to, like, start rotting these.